Okay, third quarter tayo. Let's go.
Number 30. Second person to the ball.
Pull up jumper basket para sa TVL.
Ali.
Maya Malig. Ayun na, jump shot, no. Number 11, still. Outlet pass. Here comes Elmo Malig. Para kay Elmo Malig. Time out. San Juan National High School. With official score is 45-30, 15-point lead para sa TVL San Juan. Alright, tayo din ako na sa ating second half. 9 minutes and 19 seconds. Bola rito ng San Juan National High School. Number 18, running shot, basket. Sa loob, basket, good. Number 30, steal by Elmo. Outlet pass. Number 14, basket. 51-30. Lamang pa rin po dito ang San Juan City TVL. Ayun na, what an extra pass. Gets a foul. Official score 51-32. Low.
Right.
Tama score? Tama, no? Okay. 51-32 ang ating talaan. Lamang pa rin po ang San Juan City TVL. Number 18, top of the key, 4-3. Basket is good. Number 14, backdoor pass, 4-3, no. Rebound. Hanop, Montana. Uy, no. Rebound ng TVL. Here comes number 24. Ayan na, up and under, wala. Tawag po ang referee doon. Time remaining 7 minutes and 22 seconds. Bola rito ng San Juan National High School. Number 17, top of the key, 4-3, no good. Foul number 7, Floralde.
Number 7, personal foul, warning.
Personal foul, warning for graduate. Floralde.
Pero sobra to, di ba sa lineup?
Ang MVP yata dito pare. Ganito.
Wala pa eh.
Sige, ito to. Wala siyang wala siyang medal. Ito ata trophy.
Pero sobra sa lineup.
Ay, hindi ko lang alam.
Volleyball na doble.
Oy, no good. Substitution. Remaining time 6 minutes and 26 seconds. Here up. Basket. 53-35. 20-point lead na po ang TBL. Oh, gets the foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 3 is San Diego.
Personal foul warning.
First shot for Santiago. No. Basket para kay Santiago. 36-53.
Sir, ilan ni Reyes? Apat?
No good. Basket. Number 17 from the corner, 3, no. Out of bounds.
Taking po, taking.
Idol, taki.
Ako, taking.
Mate-technical tayo dyan, ha?
Mumura ka ba?
Remaining time, 5 minutes and 22 seconds. Ayun na, floater, wala. Offensive rebound. Gets a foul.
Foul 17. First, personal foul 2.
Number 2, shooting for 2. Basket. Second shot para kay number 2. Basket is good. 57-36. Another steal for TBL. Ayan na, basket na naman for TBL. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Here comes Tolentino. Pass to number 25. Floater is good. 38-59. Lamang pa rin po ang San Juan City TBL. Pinasa loob. Uy, what an extra pass. Napalakas nga lang. Pero nandun. Sinamok for the putback. Time out. San Juan National High School. Tingnan natin muna ang huddle ng San Juan National High School dito. Alright, back to the ball game. Official score of 38-61. In favor pa rin sa San Juan City TVL. Malayo-layo pa tayo. Tingnan natin kung maibababa ng San Juan National High School ang laban. Tolentino. Pass number 6. Pass to Garce. Garce, binigay. And that's a travel. Traveling violation for San Juan National High School. Ayan na, 4-3, short. Rebound. And kick ball. Ayan na, San Juan, nagmamadali, binigay. Step back 3. In and out, rebound. Makuha ng TVL. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Akin na to by number 14. 14 ba? Sorry. Yeah, 14. Uy, ayun na, Tolentino. Kick out. 4-3, bang! 3-point, para kay number 25 of San Juan National High School. Here come number 7 to number 13. Setting on the play, binagay sa loob. Pull-up jumper, no. Rebound by Tolentino. Tolentino nagmamadali and gets the foul. Number 14.
Foul number 14. Third personal foul. Third.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 1 seconds. Bola rito ng San Juan National. Ayan na. Umatake, using the board, no good. Rebound by number 2. Athlete pass, steal by Tolentino. Pinasa kay number 70, Garce. No. Rebound by number 4. Number 4, fake. Pinasa. Uy, nice fake. Number 25, pinasa loob. Uy. Gets a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 3, Santiago.
Foul number 26. First personal foul. 4. Rebound.
Second shot for Santiago. Wala. Rebound ng TVL. Ayan na si number 2. Nagmamadali. Crossover. Number 2. Pinasa. Uy, block. Ayan na, number 14. Walang tawag. Number 14 again and gets the foul. The shots para kay Morante. Number 14.
4. Team foul.
First shot for Morante. Wala. Second shot. No good. Uy, wala. Rebound ng San Juan National. Ayan na, nagmamadali. Here comes Tolentino. Tolentino. Back to Tolentino. Ayan na, Santiago. Up and under. Wala. Rebound again by Santiago. Santiago matake. And there's the foul. Basket count and 1 for Santiago.
Foul 30.
One shot for Santiago. And shoutout po kay Idol Philip Volante and Idol Galimba Daryl, Coach Daryl. Ayan, nandito rin ang kanyang may bahay ni Idol Philip Volante. Santiago getting for the 3-point play. 44-63 ang ating talaan. Lamang pa rin po ang San Juan City TVL. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Binigay sa elbow. 4-3. In and out. Rebound ng TVL. And out of bounds. Same ball. Oy! Morante nakalusot. Si number 14. Ayan na naman. Santiago umatake. Inararo. No good. Tolentino with a rebound. Tolentino. Oh! There's the foul. 2 shots para kay Tolentino. Number 17. Tolentino, second shot, no good. Rebound again by Tolentino. Pinasa, steal by Morante. Morante nagmamadali, steal by Tolentino. Tolentino gets the foul. Substitution.
Foul on the team. Third personal foul, penalty.
TVL under penalty situation. 2 shots para kay Tolentino. No good. Wala, rebound. Oy, wala pa rin. Tolentino again. Basket na naman for Tolentino. 46-65. Lamang pa rin po rito ang mga nakakitim. Number 2. Crossover. Pinasa. Binigay sa loob. What an extra pass. Para sa TVL. By Enriquez. Ayan na, block by Enriquez. Tumira sa 3. Yes, sir. 49-67. 19 seconds. Last 11. 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5. Last 4 seconds. 4.7 seconds remaining. Ayan na. Ma-shoot kaya? 4, 3, 2, 4, 3. Bang! 3 point para kay Vera. At naihabol nga ng San Juan National High School ang tirang yun. Alright, our end of the third quarter official score of 52-67. Lamang pa rin po ang San Juan City TVL ng 15. Tingnan muna natin ang huddle ng TVL dito. Alright, tayo dadako na sa ating fourth and last quarter. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling kampiyon para sa seniors division? Malalaman natin yan, maya-maya lamang. Ayan, sa mga kakatunin lamang rin po, ang TVL po ang ating defending champion. At kung magkakataon, maiba-back to back kaya nila ngayong season 2025 ang laban tulad ng ginawa ng San Juan National High School ng Juniors Division. Tignan natin sa fourth quarter kung makakabawi ang San Juan National High School. 67-52. Lamang pa rin ang mga nakapitim. Ayan na. Elmo, no. Rebound by Floralde. Dikit na to. Seryoso na sa ating last quarter. Tolentino. Pass to Floralde. Floralde, backdoor pass from the corner, fake. Ayan na, umatake, side step, pasok yan para kay number 30. Ayan na, outlet pass. Uy. Still, here comes Floralde. Nagmamadali all the way, basket. Time out dito ang TVL. What a nice shot what a nice good defense para San Juan National High School. Official score of 56-67. Baba ng 11 ang TVL. Session na pa, mauga ayusin ko na ba maigi ang ating pagla-live cover. Alright, back to the ball game tayo. 9 minutes and 20 seconds. Here comes the TVL. Another steal para kay Floralde. Floralde nagmamadali. Floralde and one! Basket count. May kasama pang foul para kay Floralde. Ayan na. Baba na sa single digit ang TVL. Time remaining 9 minutes and 6 seconds. Bonus shot. Floralde for a 3-point lay. Basket is good. 59-67. Oy. Ayan na. Oops. Here comes number 2 all the way. Basket. 69-59. Balik sa 10 ang kalamangan ng San Juan TVL.
14. 4 personal foul warning.
Mukhang didikit ang laban natin. 8 minutes and 54 seconds. Bola rito ng San Juan National. Ayan na. Santiago binigay sa corner. Pull up jumper. Too strong. Rebound ng TBL. Outlet pass. Here comes Morante and one. Basket count. May kasama pang foul para kay Florante. Okay, Morante. Grabe yun. Nakabawi ang TBL dito. Balik ang kalamangan sa 12. Oy, wala. Rebound. Number 2. Wala pa rin. Offensive rebound para sa San Juan National. Ayan na, nagmamadali si Tolentino. Bounce pass to Floralde. Floralde, backdoor pass to number 3, Santiago sa kabila. And one. Basket is good for Santiago. Assisted by para kay Floralde. Baba ulit sa 10 ang lamang ng San Juan City TBL. Santiago. Bonus shot is good. Baba ulit sa single digit. 9-point lead for TBL. Ayan na. Morante na naman. Nagmamadali. Morante! 73-62. Balik ulit sa 11. Floralde. Binigay. Ayan na. Tolentino. Pinasa kay number 16. Pass na Floralde. Pinasa sa corner. 4-3. Bang! 65-73. Morante na naman. Oy! Wait lang po. Maliit ang ating spasyo. There's a foul. Morante shooting for 2. First shot is good. Time remaining 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Morante, wala. Rebound agad ng TVL. Number 2, may tangan ng bola. Here comes Sibal. Sibal, cross. Sibal, atake, sidestep, and gets the foul.
Foul number 2.
Number 2, third personal foul. Villaflor ata yan, alam ko. Ayan na. Bola rito ng mga nakiteam. Pass to number 17. Here comes Morante. Morante. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha ni number 17. Ayan na ang TVL. Uy, Niyoyo. Wala. Out of bounds. Last touch. Balik ang bola sa San Juan National. Here comes Villaflor. Pass to Manalang. Floralde setting on the play. Pass to Santiago. Santiago, top of the key for 3. Wala. Rebound ng mga nakiteam. Outlet pass by Elmo. Here comes number 24. Whoa. Steal by Villaflor. Ay na. Number 11. Umatake. Wala. Floralde with the putback. Number 11 na naman. 67-74. Official timeout muna tayo. Time remaining 6 minutes and 27 seconds. Sub. Bola rito. Resurrection. Ayun na, bola ng TBL. Villaflor. Oy! It's a stepping on the line. Good defense para kay Villaflor. Time remaining 6 minutes and 19 seconds. Ayan na, Villaflor. Pinasa. Floralde for 3. Uy! Sayang. Offensive foul para kay Villaflor. Time remaining 6 minutes and 14 seconds. Ayan na, man-to-man defense for San Juan National. Here comes Morante. Morante umatake. Oy! Nakalusot si Morante. Ayan na sa kabila. Number 30, Garce to Villaflor. Pass to Santiago. 10 seconds to shoot. Back to Santiago. Santiago umatake. Tumira. Too strong. Rebound by Sibal. Outlet pass. Uy. Out of bounds. Substitution. Five minutes and 30 seconds. Here comes Tolentino. May tanga ng bola. Tolentino. Tolentino with a steal. Ayan na. Gars. Ooh. There's a foul. Number 2. Bernal shooting for 2. San Juan National High School under penalty situation. Bernal on the free throw area. First shot, no good. shot for Bernal. Bernal, basket. Official score 67-77. Balik sa 10 ang kalamangan ng San Juan City TVL. Loralde, may tanga ng bola. Oy, munti ka na magawan. Here comes Garce for 3. 3-point. For jersey number 30. Babasa pito ang lamang ng San Juan TVL. Oy, nakalusot. Si Sibal. 79-70. Balik sa siya mga kalamangan. Here comes Loralde. Pass to Villaflor. 4-3. Bang! Sorry, that's jersey number 28. Ayan na. Pumahabol. Down by 6. Here comes Morante. There's a foul.
Foul number 70. Third personal foul.
Shooting the line, jersey number 14, Morante. No good. Second shot for Morante. Ayan na, basket is good. 80-73. Balik ulit tayo sa 7. Ayan na. Oh! Offensive foul. Number 28.
Foul number 38. Fourth personal foul. 4. Team foul. Apa penalty? Wala pa.
Correction, number 38. Bola pa rin dito ng San Juan National. Here comes Tolentino. Tolentino, uy, nadulas. Official timeout.
Stop.
Remaining time, 4 minutes and 1 second. Alright, back to the ball game. Bola rito ng San Juan City TVL. 73-80 po ang ating talaan. Ayan na. Uy, nabitawan ni Elmo. Ang bola. San Juan National High School Basketball. Di pa tayo tapos ang laban. Malayo-layo pa to. Here comes Santiago. Santiago, no! Rebound by Bernal. Uy! Gets a foul.
Foul number 3, Santiago.
Number 3, Santiago.
Second personal foul. Penalty.
Personal foul penalty. San Juan National High School under penalty situation. Shooting the line, jersey number 38. That is Bernal. First shot is good. Second shot for Bernal. Bernal, basket for TBL, 82-73. Balik sa 9 ang inahabol ng San Juan National. Here comes number 30. Oy! No good! Rebound by Bernal. Number 27, Reyes.
Shot clock 10.
10 seconds shot clock to shoot. 8, 6, 5. Morante, top of the key for 3. 3-point para kay Morante. Villaflor, babawi sa 3. Short. Rebound. Guess the 3. Short. Ayan na. And that's a drop. Time out.
San Juan National.
Time out. San Juan National High School.
San Juan National, wala na pong timeout. TBL, 2 po.
With the time remaining 2 minutes and 40 seconds, tignan natin ang huddle ng San Juan National High School. Time remaining 2 minutes and 40 seconds sa ating fourth and last quarter. Shoutout muna tayo kay Daphne G. Ayan Blake Dylan, Katigbak, Alay Troy, Valdemiro, Eman, Bombales, ayan si Kagawad Eman. And shoutout din kay Francie Renz Lacson, Prince Gabriel Valenzuela, Ofe Maria, Max Sevilla, and kay Kurt Villanueva. Alright, back to the ball game tayo. Let's go. Number 17, Tolentino. Wala. Loralde with a putback. Ooh. Mukhang nakita ng referee yun Technical.
Technical foul. Number 38 of TBL. Number 38, graduate.
Number 38, graduate. That's Bernal. Technical dito ang TBL. Shooting the line, jersey number 28. For a bonus shot. Basket is good. Ayan na. Baba ulit sa single digit. Malayo-layo pa to. Uy! There's a foul by Garcia.
Foul number 70. Number 70, Garcia. Fourth personal foul. Penalty.
Garcia, that is fourth personal foul. A penalty. 2 shots for jersey number 2. That is Ibal. That is good. Ayan, shoutout din kay Gian Aldrich, Estela, Millerson Nas, and Nene Morata. Ayan. 2 for 2 para kay Sibal. 87-76 ang ating talaan. Lamang pa rin po ang San Juan City TBL. Here comes Santiago. May tangan ng bola. Pass to Tolentino. Tolentino, staring on the screen. Tolentino. Binigay. Number 70, Garce, and 1. Time out. Time out.
Nasa foul number 7. Number 7, second personal foul. Rama! PBL!
Time out, TBL. Official score 78-87. Baba ulit sa siyam ang inahabol ng San Juan National High School.
Itong nakalong dito.
Warning on coach of PBL for dress code. Proper dress code. Warning o warning lang?
Warning for improper dress code ang TBL. On the free throw area, that is Garcia J for a bonus shot. There's a foul.
Pushing foul number 17. Number 17, Tolentino. Third personal foul. Penalty.
Elmo Malig on the free throw area. Basket is good. Ayan, shoutout kay Nainay Morata. Shoutout daw si Momon Loralde. Okay. Kickball. Time remaining 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Malapit na tayo sa dulo. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Last 2 minutes. Let's go! Tolentino, backdoor pass, steal. Mapupunta kay Elmo, 2 against 2. Morante gets the trouble. 79-88. Lamang pa rin po ang TBL. Ayan na. Here comes Garce. No. Outlet pass. Si Val may tangan ng bola. Another steal. Bounce pass. Oy! Basket para sa San Juan National. 81-88. Mabasa 7 ang lamang ng TBL. Ayan na. Umatake. Wala. Ayan na. Rebound by Floralde. Floralde with a spin. Floralde dire-derecho. Umatake. Wala. Rebound by Elmo. Nabitawan. Last touch. Save ball. May natitira na lang tayong 1 minute and 2 seconds. Ayan na, binigay. Here comes Elmo. Malig, basket. Another steal for TBL. Gets a foul.
Foul number 70.
Abiertas coming in.
Number 17, Graduate.
Number 17, graduate. That's Tolentino. Sorry, that's number 70. time remaining. Last 50 seconds.
25 seconds.
Basket is good. 91-81. And shoutout po sa ating buti Mayor Francis Zamora. Our Vice Mayor Attorney Angelo Gawili and Congresswoman Attorney Belle Zamora and our City Council.
5 seconds.
4-3. Ooh!
Foul number 3 Santiago.
Tatlo
Third
yun.
personal foul. 3 shots.
3 shots para kay Morante. Jersey number 14. First shot is good. Ay Morante. Basket again. Morante, oopsie. Bawal yun. Alright, time remaining. Last 38 seconds. Out of bounds. Last 35 seconds. Another steal. Ayan na. All the way. Basket para kay Sibal. Another steal. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Ayan, hinintay na lang po ng oras. 4, 3, 2, congratulations! San Juan City TVL for winning this back-to-back champion. Ayan. And a nice game para sa San Juan National High School Seniors Division. Hey, congrats!
Hey, back-to-back champion! Shoutout sa mga taga sa amin. Ermitaño. Shoutout sa Gray. Ang topa ko dyan.
Okay, congrats, congrats! Shout out pare! Ayan, congratulations! San Juan City TVL for winning this game kontra sa San Juan National High School and a back-to-back champion San Juan City TVL sa ating Seniors Division. Congrats! Salamat po sa inyo manonood at magbabalik tayo for ating awarding ceremony.